In my last video, I share my apps or tools overview with you. But in today's video, I will share the details. One of my app name is AI YouTube Content Factory. This app is free to use for lifetime access. And amazing part is that I can also edit or customize this app anytime, anywhere with no coding experience. First, I will share its results. Then I will tell you how this app works without any hosting. Here is the final result. It shows content package generated. In first column, you can see the content of main video, title, hook, description, and main script in English and others languages. Then in second column, it shows the script of short videos, voiceover with text to video prompt. From this, I can generate the short video clips related to video. In third column, it's blog post with title, SEO keywords, text to images, prompt, and 2 blogs, short and medium. In fourth column, it shows the text to image prompt for social media platforms with title and hashtags. In final column, it's generated the YouTube thumbnail with text to video prompts for clips related to the video with key tags and hashtags. See, this is full package. Long videos creations, short videos, blog post, and image post for social media platforms. Now I will tell you how this app works from starts. Its main interface is like this. And next step is just put the link of an article or video link, whether it's a YouTube video or any other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. With the links for YouTube video and other social media platforms, just copy their transcript and paste in this app. After few working, it will generate the whole content. For YouTube long videos, short videos and images, post FB, Insta and TikTok, blog post for website. With this app, I can generate my full social media content within 5 minutes with lifetime access. If you like this app or want to develop any app, contact, subscribe and follow me.